This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am discuss with some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend who need jobs update, and please subscribe my channel. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This link I will paste in description box. Please join it. Let's I have uh, provide some our first job. Our first job is from a statistical data and analyst for Bangalore, Karnataka location, and salary is 40K to 50K per month, and this is full time and remote opportunity. And experience needed 3 years of experience you have need. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Jaipur, Rajasthan location, and salary is 30K to 60K per month. And this is full time opportunity, regular and permanent also. And and this is your job role. You can see here and read and after then you have apply and 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 a technical skill need SQL, BigQuery, PSQL and MySQL you have must need. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is assistant professor faculty for data analyst for Gangtok, Sikkim location, and salary is 7 LP, 6 LPA to 7 LPA per year, and this is also full time opportunity and and experience need 3 year, and the total work experience is also 3 year, and this is your full time job description and this is your responsibility. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst and a skill need Excel, advanced Excel, and location is Mumbai, Maharashtra, and salary is 20K to 30K per month, and this is full time internship opportunity. Okay, and how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is admin, data entry, and analysis, and salary is 25K, and location is Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and this is your responsibility and all, and this is qualification needed like a bachelor or graduation degree. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analysis internship. This is for Tamil Nadu location and as well as remote means work from home location also, and this is your responsibility and all, and this is your company. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for the New Delhi location, and salary 18K to 225K per month, and this is also full time opportunity. And this is your full job description and all. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst for from from Wipro side, and location is Bangalore, Karnataka, and this is your role and responsibility and all, and you can see here all the detail, and salary is not mentioned here. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is for Power BI developer. This is your job description, and location is remote means work from home, and this is your job description, and this is your roles and responsibility and all, and this is qualification need. You must have bachelor degree completed and SAS, SQL and all. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data warehouse engineer, and experience need 5 to 10 year of experience, and location is Bangalore, and and about this is about company, and this is about your roles and responsibility and all, and location is Bangalore. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is Anko. This is hiring for associate data scientist, and location is also Bangalore, Karnataka, and company name is here. You can see, and experience need 0 to 1 year of experience must need, and a skill required SQL, and must a skill like Python and SAS and MATLAB also.